This video was made possible by Farmers Market Singapore, an online butcher that is well known for high-quality meat products that are traceable, sustainable, and affordable. You may visit farmersmarket.com.sg and enter FoodieMommaPH in a discount box on checkout and get 15% off your first order. What's up you guys, Kilianju here, and welcome to another episode of our recipe videos with Farmers Market Singapore. In this third series, we started off with some chashu Singapore noodles. Today, we're gonna be cooking some delicious butter chicken. Let's go! In this recipe, we're using 4 pieces of French yellow corn-fed chicken fillet from Farmers Market Singapore. There are 2 parts to take note in making butter chicken. The meat will be marinated first before it gets pan-fried or grilled, and then cooked with the gravy on the latter part. Let's start with the marinade. Transfer the chicken cuts in a big bowl and add in the following: 1/2 cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, and a squeeze of lemon. Mix and marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. Once it's ready, we're gonna pan fry the marinated chicken. Heat up some oil and fry each piece until the color is red brown and caramelized like this. Now's the time for the gravy. On the same pan, throw in 5 cloves minced garlic, saute until fragrant, along with roughly cut medium onion, 500 grams tomatoes, and 1 tablespoon of ghee, 60 grams cashews, 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons Kashmiri chili powder, a splash of water, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, and a pinch of Kasoori Methi or Fenugreek leaves. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes and transfer to a blender. Blend all the ingredients until the texture is smooth like this. Look at that beautiful orange color. Move the gravy back to the same pan and add some more ghee and cream. Mix and add some water, and the chicken is ready for some gravy bath. Let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Season with salt, and we're ready to plate. Garnish with Kasoori Methi and heavy cream. You may serve it with Basmati rice, Naan, or Prata. And this is my version of butter chicken.